You know, I used to be a failure, and it used to really pain me to say that, but not anymore. Hi everyone, I'm Joe Perez, and my program is called Flipping Unleashed. I'm a real estate investor over here in warm and sunny Southern California, and I've been doing it now for 24 years. It's a long time. I've literally, personally been involved in over thousands of real estate deals. I've made millions and millions over my career investing in real estate, and I own real estate rental property all over. I've also attended law school because knowledge was important to me, and I had to know and find different angles and different ways to do deals. I'm a successful real estate coach, and I've pretty much done it all. I've bought partial interest, which means I've bought like pieces of a home. I've bought homes from people that don't even own them. So I've done all kinds of cool things. And you know, on a side note, there's some people out there that like to give you mediocre content and they make up for it with raw, they're all pumped up. That's not me. I'm gonna give you guys great content, and I'm gonna save the raw for the cheerleaders, okay? So you're probably thinking I was born with a silver spoon in my mouth, but that couldn't be the furthest from the truth. The truth of it is I was born with a rubber boot up my ass. And why do I say that? Because my first semester junior year, I was kicked out of high school. That's right. I guess you might say I'm a high school dropout, but I'm not, because I was kicked out. I was asked to leave. And that day, when I had to go meet the principal, my dad showed up. And he was wearing some rubber boots. He tried to frickin' kick me as hard as he could, you know where. And thank God I was fast, he missed, and the principal stopped him. And then after that, it was real rough times. I mean, I did all kinds of different sales jobs. Matter of fact, I even sold worms. I sold worms for a living to organic recycling companies. Imagine how romantic that is. You're on a date and you tell the girl, hey, what do you do for a living? You're like, oh, I sell worms. Oh yeah, that's gonna go real far in your romantic life. And thank God that's not me anymore. You know, there's a lot of people who want to invest in real estate. There's a lot of people trying to invest in real estate, and there's a lot of people who want to learn to invest in real estate. So what you're going to enjoy, what we're going to focus on is we're going to recognize that this business is competitive. So we need to have an edge. We need to have a superior edge. And I'm going to teach you what my superior edge has always been. And it's real simple. It's real simple. I call it ICE. Intelligence combined with execution. That's it. It means you're prepared, you have the right knowledge and skills, and you execute it properly. That's it. That's going to give you the leg up on your competition. I'm going to give you guys all the tools to be able to finally achieve financial freedom. You know, one of the things, by the way, that really motivates me that I've read, excuse my French, I'm not sure if it's French, but I've met a lot of rich assholes who have this attitude that they're special and only they deserve it, and whatever they've learned they don't want to share. You know what? I disagree with that, and as a matter of fact, I'm betting against them. That's why I'm here today. I'm betting that I can make you guys better. And I'm betting that if I make you guys better, you will reward me with loyalty, you will subscribe to my channels, and be part of a winning program for me. So it's win-win for both of us. I'm gonna stick with you guys the whole way through. I'll show you guys from beginning to end how to do these things. And contrary to what other people say, I got your back, I don't really have your back. I'm not sure if I agree with that philosophy. I found that the greatest problems and the greatest obstacles that I've encountered in life and in this industry, well, those problems are in front of me, okay? So because of that, you know what? I've got your front. That's what I like to say. I've got your front, and I'm gonna be there with you throughout the entire process and show you at every step. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're beginning and you have no idea what a mortgage is, what a deed of trust is, or a house. It doesn't matter one bit. Or it doesn't matter if you're advanced and you've been doing this for years and you've bought dozens or hundreds of homes already. I promise you, there's something here for everyone. That's the beauty. The knowledge here and the growth will be universal. Everyone here will have something that they can benefit from. So if you guys like what you're hearing, subscribe to my videos, watch them, and follow me on social media. Little by little, I'll give you guys cool tips. I'll also be doing live classes, and together with baby steps, little by little, we'll show you guys stuff, keep showing you stuff, because after all, in the military, you don't go from sergeant to general, all right? So I'm really excited, hope you guys are. Commit. Finally make a choice to commit to something, okay? Commit to this, let's do it together, and I look forward to giving you guys some really great content.